Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Barb, and this has become quite the undertaking. Even I didn't realize how much it would take to accomplish the things that I originally planned to do with this van. As I was editing this video, I started to think back on all that has already been accomplished since her purchase last spring. So, as I post this video, it has been right about 8.5 months since this all began. So, I decided to make a little list of the progress so far, and I was really amazed to read it. And, well, take a look, then we will get right into today's video.
Test number 1.
So this little video clip is actually months ago. One of the first things I ordered was the diesel heater after I got the van. And Andrew was over to work on the power room insert, so we decided to give the heater a test run. We figured it would be better now to find out if it works, rather than after we had it all set in and had to remove it down the road.
That is going to feel.
Oh.
Which way does it go? It says. So.
Andrew is back helping his mother again.
Okay.
Mother forgot to order a trivet to go through the van floor, so we are fabricating something. We're going to check it out and make sure everything works.
Hey YouTube, we're watching YouTube.
So I believe when most of these heaters come shipped,
You press them
they're,
both at the same time.
actually
It's wrong.
in the hertz.
So.
He's kicking.
A lot of line to tread.
We'll get there. The line is priming very slowly. Pretty entertaining.
You have combustion.
That sounds like a little jet. You learn.
See? You just set up your diesel heater. That's how quick it is. Ooh, that'll keep it nice and toasty.
Oh, wow. That's
Not
very
even all the
exciting.
way warmed up.
I used that buddy heater for all those years in the pickup.
This is so much good.
Oh, yeah. Dry heat. Get warm.
Ooh.
Get hot. My new diesel heater. It's just one of those, Chinese ones, but it's a pretty hefty one. My son's been using the same one for several years, and he's had pretty good luck with them. So we're gonna dive into this. So here we are inside the van, and this is behind the passenger seat. So I'm thinking the heater could go here or here under the bed platform next to the passenger side wheel well, or this is the entry step on the passenger side. This is my main entrance. The other side doors are blocked with the power room, of course. I don't know if this would be a really good place to put it. I do have a turret plate to mount it to, which would hang down about 2 inches. So it would protect like the fittings and stuff, sorta, kinda. but I'd be worried about hitting it on something when I was out and about driving through the woods in the beautiful forests. It will also fit behind the driver's seat. Of course, I'd have to take this carpet up, which is going to happen eventually anyway, so why not now? Andy says the hole saw wasn't cutting it, literally. So he said it's time to get out the nibbler, whatever the nibbler is. We're about to find out.
There's a good hole saw.
Oh, be darned.
Yeah, that's definitely, I don't
So
think, a metal one that they let me
nibbler.
use. Then, Mr. Nibbles. Watch, he goes nibble, nibble, nibble.
Oh! Look at that.
Mr. Nibbles.
Now, this guy here helping me, Andrew, he is the one responsible for me starting a YouTube channel. He said, "Mom, you can do this. It'd be awesome." So the rest has been history. But yep, this guy right here with that handsome face is the one responsible for YouTube, for Winter's Eve.
Come on, Mr. Nibbles.
That is just, gosh, now I'm going to have to get me one of those.
The nibbler.
Oh, what that blade made out of?
It's a punch. It's a punch and a die. It just goes.
Oh.
It makes little nibbles. It's going down tighter now. That's where it's gonna go. One there. There'll be one here. One there. One here. There. One there. Better. Still looks a little crooked, doesn't it?
It's pretty strong stuff. Yeah.
Good enough on those spots.
It looks kind of disgusting. It's like sludge.
It's gonna get all over me under there too.
Oh, I have paper towels.
It's alright, as long as it's sealed.
Sound effects.
You used one of those already?
What? No?
Bolt?
Well,
Only three
no, it's
there?
under the bag.
still running. Nice.
Yep.
Did kind of cross thread, but oh well.
Gotta get it. There you go.
Just took some tie wire and bent the tip, and I rolled it to the side. Kind of half wrap that back up the side. What do you think about that? It's pretty tight. I don't know how tight it's done. I need a longer bit. Long bit.
Long bit. Oh, that's getting serious. Aha! Ow! Ow!
So. Oh, use the pliers. Your fingers are not pliers. Your fingers are not pliers. Your fingers are not pliers. Yep, yep, yep.
Da 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 da.
Ta-da. Heavy duty ones. I if I should even put a. Might as well just have it good and secure, right?
Yeah.
Two of them on there. This is fuel line. So come back up in. I'm gonna try to feed this up through that little hole.
There you are. Do you know how exciting this is?
Yeah. I'm excited too. I'm enjoying the challenge of doing it on the van, but just it's a pain in the ass compared to my trailer.
Oh, yeah.
This is where you wanted it anyway, right?
Yeah.
In the first place?
Yeah.
Out, like, completely out of your way. Okay, pump's plugged in. Exhaust is kind of in.
So the diesel heater is in and working great. Just in time, as I'll be heading to camp here in a few days. And that will give me just enough time to complete one more little project that just kind of popped up. So stay tuned for that next week. I just don't have time to pop it in this video.